Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable all the participants' camera in Google Meet. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and type in meet.google.com. Once you do that, you have to start a meeting. Well, this feature is only for the host, so you have to be the host. Now, share the link, share the codes, and wait for the participants to join. Now on your screen at the bottom you can see audio and video settings, captions, reactions, presentations, raise hand, more options button. You have to go to bottom right and find host controls right beside activities. Once you do that, make sure the host management is on. Then all you have to do is scroll down and turn off this button right beside turn on the video. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable all the participants' camera on Google Meet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.